Hi beautiful people, welcome back to another interesting tutorial. So in this tutorial, I want to explain in details how you can accurately read your tape rule. Each lines on tape rule represent a value that should not be dismissed when you're taking your measurements. Okay, if you dismiss these values because they are not whole number, it can affect the fit of your garment. Okay, so please come with your tape rule and read along with me as I take you through this process. Okay, the picture I have here, what I have here on this table is a pictorial representation of my tape rule. The tape rule is too small, but I've drawn out the lines, the exact lines we have on our tape rule here, so that we can see what I want to explain and you'll be able to understand it better. So if you take your tape rule right now and go through your tape rule, you'll see that we have the exact markings you have on your tape rule. You have it here on the picture I have on the table right now. Now, each markings, if you look at the markings on your tape rule right now, starting from here, before we get to one inch, you know, this tape rule, in Nigeria we read tape rule in inches. Now we have, if you count it, let's count together: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 markings before you get to 1. Okay, and each markings, each line it has its own value when you're taking your measurements. Now, for us to convert these markings to value, okay, this is 1. We have 1/8. This is 2. This is also 2/8. This is 3. This is 3/8. This is 4. Also 4/8. 5/8. 6/8. 7/8. Then you get to 1. After 1, you also start the counting again. Now, let me explain in details what these markings mean. This is 1/8. When you divide your 1, I've done the division and here it is. When you divide your 1 by 8, 1/8 is going to give us 0.125. 2/8, 0.25. 3/8, 0.375, and so on and so forth. You can take your calculator and do the division right now to see what to understand what I'm explaining better. This is 4/8, 0.5. When you divide 4, okay, 4/8, you get 0.5. 5/8, 0.625. 6/8, 0.75. 7/8, 0.875, and 8/8 will give you 1. Now back to the markings on the tape rule. Since we've established that 1/8 is 0.125, when you want to read it on your tape rule, this is 0.125. This 2/8, we've established that it is 0.25, so this is 0.25. Okay, this is 0.375 and this is 0.5, and that is why when you have anything, maybe 1.5, 2.5, you come to your tape rule, you have this as 1.5. Okay, from here this is 0.875. okay, and this is what, when you divide 8 by 8, this is what, 1. Now let me give you a very practical example. When you've taken someone's measurements and maybe you've measured a child and the chest measurement is 21 inches. When you divide your 21 by 4 in order to get the chest value on your paper, when you divide it by 4, it's going to give you 5.25. Now you should not dismiss that 0.25 or round it up. Okay, it can affect the fit of your garment. What you do now is come to your tape rule. This is 5, right? And we've established that 0.25, okay, is 2/8. What you do is you count from here. This is 5.25. 1, 2. Here is your 5.25, okay? 0.25, anything after point, okay, it means 0 point. Any value where you see point, 0 point. So 5.25 is 5.25. Then you count from here, 1, 2. Now, if the child's chest measurement is 22, 22 divided by 4 will give you 5.5. You come here, this is your 5, and this is your 0.5, 5.5. This is 0.5. Okay. Another example is this: when you divide the child's chest measurement by, maybe the child's chest measurement is 20. 20 divided by 4 will give you 5. 5 is a whole number, and you bring it out here. Okay. So, for example, now if you divide your measurement, I don't know which measurement, but just do any division and you get 7 points, let's say 7.75. And we've established here that 0.75 is 6/8. That is from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 divided by 8, 0.75. So on your table, after 7, you just have to count 6 markings. This is 7. We are looking for 7.75, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is my 7.75 because this is 6/8. Okay, 6/8 will give me 0.75, and this is what I'll get. So this is how you accurately read the table. Do not dismiss any value that is not whole number, as it can affect the fit of your garment. Thank you. If this is your first time of listening to me, you're welcome. And if you've been watching me, you're also welcome back. If you find this video interesting, kindly, if you find it interesting and explanatory enough, please give this video a thumbs up, and also click the bell so that anytime I drop a new video, you can be notified.